This is the Schlage Century deadbolt set. I was at Lowe's yesterday, and this was on their Black Friday deal or whatever. It's usually 50-60 bucks. I got it for like 18. It says it's kick and impact resistant, pry and drill, and pick and bump. It says anti-pick, security pins in cylinder. So it also says it's good for sawing, hardened steel, spinning pin encased in deadbolt. So we're gonna see what it takes to get into this. I'm gonna use the 30 thousandths turning tool in the bottom of the keyway, my Covert Instruments one. See these Schlage keyways? They look like they're just wide open, but they got those two little half round bars. They're just kind of get in your way. So I like to go bottom of the keyway, and then you balance my pick off of the top of the turning tool, which actually does open up a lot of the keyway for you. So I got nothing on one, maybe a little something out of two, back to three. Oh, so yeah, there we go. Let's lock that back up, because I mean, I could have lifted everything up to where it needed to be, but it might not be. I just put this little metal thing in here so you can see what it looked like in the door. I gotta make a piece of wood to actually, mount these in. So, nothing on one, nothing on two. So that was... something's up with this thing. One, two, there we go. I think I got it. I think the pins were stuck up in the Bible. One, two. Alright, now we got a full set. There's something went. Alright, there we go. So I don't know. I think there's something wrong with this lock. I'll try it one more time. So nothing on one, nothing on two. Yeah, because all I had to do was go back and hit 5. Alright, this thing might be defective. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Dang it. So I'm gonna... yeah, because I'm not getting nothing. All I'm having to do is go back and hit that 5th pin. And then that clicking noise is maybe some other pins dropping down. I'm going to post this, but I'm going to take this apart and see what I can't figure out.